Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Can you believe we are on the last project and the last day of October? That is just madness. I don't even know, not the last day, sorry, the last video for October. It's just crazy how fast these months are going. So instead I've brought you this nice and simple Tall Lights Aglow gift bag. It uses a whole sheet of 12 by 12 with just a tiny smidge that's cut away for the tabs. But isn't it so pretty? And I really love this paper. I thought at first it was sort of a crushed curry or maybe, you know, a soft saffron, but actually it's not. It's just gold. So yeah, it is really lovely. I've just totally smashed the sides in here playing with it as well. But yeah, whole sheet of 12 by 12 and it's just so pretty. So get your sheet of 12 by 12. If you have a directional pattern that you want to follow, then I will tell you that, so yeah, 12 by 12, 30.5 by 30.5 centimetres. The bottom we're going to score first. So the bottom is going to be scored this way. So if you consider your paper this way being the correct way, turn it clockwise and score 1.5 inches or 4 centimetres for your base. Then turn it back anti-clockwise and score at 4.5, 5 3/4, 10 and 11.5 inches. And in centimetres that will be 11, 15, 26 and 30. And sorry, the bottom is 1.5, which is 4 centimetres. And then we do the fold and the burnish and the wedging. Simple, this one. So fold, and as you can see it is speciality paper, so it has actually only got pattern on one side. Okay, so fold all of those, and then this last one here. Okay. Then on your bottom part here, you're simply going to cut up, crikey, it's that big, I can't get it on the screen. We're going to cut up these sections just to that horizontal score line, and you're going to cut away this smidgy bit here, which, as I said, is the only bit that we actually throw away. So it's not bad waste, is it? Just that tiny little bit. And then, as I say, you're going to cut up each one like so. Okay, strip of adhesive all the way down this thin bit here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so just using my seal all the way down there. You can fold it over and then fold it over again here. Oh, why does that not work? That's interesting. Oh, that's very odd. It works that way. I'm guessing one of my lines wasn't quite level though, because I now have a white. But anyway, so when you've done yours nice and straight, you can then just pop the two ends in here and then the back piece, and then just add some adhesive to the front. So this is going to be a wonky bag now because the sides haven't been cut right. So I'm going to have to take a shim off here for it to sit. And then, yeah, I've totally messed this up. This is because I didn't make sure my sides were level. My lines were straight, so yeah. Yours will sit straight, trust me. My original was fine. My original was really was fine. This one, not so. Okay, so we'll ignore that part. So then all you need to do is just squeeze these top pieces together and just sort of smooth the sides a little bit with your finger. put a couple of pegs, clips, whatever you have on the top, and then with your beautiful, not even written down what the ribbon is, satin edged ribbon. So gold satin edged ribbon. And then I did one from the front, so I put it across the front, round the back, cross it over, and then bring it back to the front where you can tie your pretty bow. Just don't get your ribbon twisted like I'm trying to here. Make sure you hold that point quite tight. Not tight enough that it folds and bends your bag, but tight enough that it's not going to come undone. And then add your bow. Ooh, crumbs. Yeah, this is just turning into a hash of a mess. Right. Well, there we go. I mean, that's kind of okay-ish. Just don't look at the top, at the mess. But yes, so there you have your nice bow, and then you just need to decorate it. So I have already die cut these just because it took me a while to pop the bits out. But if you go with, is it this one? Yes, Twinkling Lights. So this will die cut the outer, and then this will do the detail. Now you will find that these do actually nest, so you can run them through the machine as one. So the first time I did it, I did one and then tried to line it up, and I thought, what am I doing? And then realised that, yeah, they nest nicely, so you can actually run them through together. And then, so I've done those with the glimmer paper, and then I used the Lights Aglow dies, if I can actually get them. This lovely little one here, and I die cut it out of the Lights Aglow paper, because I thought I don't want a plain white sentiment because it's going to look a bit silly. So let's pop some dimensionals on here. So I've actually, did I do it? Yes. So I've put one on, no, I didn't do it here. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore, just ignore me. Talk amongst yourselves for a moment. Yeah, I thought, no, so yeah, so stick your dimensionals on. I actually put them on this part because I'm just not with it, and this is my 8th video of filming today, so I'm clearly in need of caffeine and some lunch because I just can't seem to function now. Right, backing off these, and then I'm just going to stick this first one on at the bottom here. And then I'm going to pop that there for a second because I want to die cut this. This is also gorgeous, gorgeous paper. 48 sheets of the 6x6, so yes, it is just lovely. And I love the reverse of these ones. Again, it is speciality, so it has that gold in it, but as I say, the reverse is just really pretty as well. Okay, so there's my sentiment panel done. I'm going to risk going with some garden green, I think. And where's my stamp? There it is, hiding. I quite liked, was it that one? Yes, this sentiment here. Hoping your Christmas shines bright with the love of family and friends. Oh, crumbs, come on. So pop that onto there. Garden green. onto the centre. Yeah, that's nice. And then again, where have they gone? A couple of dimensionals on here. And I'd actually put this one on the bag first. So that, did I take the, oh gums, I didn't think I took the backing off, but I had. So that one will sit like so, and then this one, take the backings off this one. Honestly, if you saw the state of my desk right now, it makes me want to cry. I hate mess, so I will be tidying this up before I have caffeine and lunch. And then this one I just tucked behind there, keeping it level with the edge of the bag there. And then I actually used, although you can't really see it on here, but I did add a little festive pearl to the centre of my snowflake. So I still am going to do that with this one. Even though you can't really see it, I think it does look quite nice. And there you have it, my tall Lights Aglow gift bags. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you all again soon. Have a great weekend.